Today we're going to be going over how to create and run your own Docker image. In our last video, we went over how to install and set up Docker in your own device. If you haven't seen that yet, we recommend you pause and check it out. Today we're going to be going over how to create your own Docker image to run your own AI local models. All right, let's get started. The first step is to clone the GitHub repository that already has our project inside of it. This is a public repository that you can find in our GitHub. You can find the link in the description or in our bio. So go check that out, but we'll also include it in the video. I'm going to go ahead and do git clone and then the name of the repository. And it's going to make a copy of it in your local folder. So see, now we have the repository saved here in our folder. Our last step is going to be to create our environment file. This is going to include two things. It's going to include our debug mode, which is going to be true for now, and it's going to include our secret key. Our secret key is just that, secret. So let's start by creating the environment first, which we did. Doesn't need any extensions. This is how it's going to look. First thing you're going to include is the debug equals true and the secret key. We're going to post a fake secret key just so you could see what it would look like once you put your real secret key here, exactly like project. So if you go ahead and you type this in your terminal, which we will include below, you can run this and it will give you the secret key that you're going to use. Obviously, we're not going to show you our secret key, but once it outputs a secret key here, you can then just take that key, paste it over there, and you're good. Thank you, everyone. And in the next step, we're going to be showing you how you could set up the project that we actually loaded if you're interested in running your local AI files while still being able to take advantage of large language models that might be hosted in an API. Stick around, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay ahead of the innovation curve and visit axiomaticlab.com today.